All good things must come to an end. This is 2021. All right. 2011, I blew the whistle on the Democratic Party behind the war on drugs, N62528. I waited till I was 62 to do this because it's my retirement. It's my 401k. It's the only way I can make a living. I made a promise. Like I said, I made a promise. 1986. Right here, that's the 86 case. See it? 1986. Turning guns and drugs to the police at the police station. Shorty. That's Officer Tilghman. Do not destroy this evidence. It was about the 1986 crime bill. Kwame, Biden, Bill Clinton. Yeah. The Democratic Party been making a lot of money off the war on drugs. I asked for audit. That's my store. Right there. That's my store, Shorty's. I still got the original sign. These are green cards, and I'm not an immigrant. All right? It's the Sour Patch Kids, because y'all say I'm good and I'm bad, and y'all talk about y'all don't know why I do what I do. Well, that's the Sour Patch Kid. I gave you the sweet side of Shorty. Now you're getting the sour side of Shorty. That's Brandon Scott. That means that he got mail. That's Sheila Roof. She's a witness. That's Chief Justice Mary Barbera in Annapolis. She got evidence. That's Governor Hogan. He received this. He got evidence. That's Brian Frost. That's Brian Frost, 2016. You got evidence. That's President Biden, President Obama, President Trump, President Biden, and the Department of Justice. And that's the Department of Justice, Eric Holder. All right? Y'all kidnapped me. That's my prison ID number. Like the Khalif Browder story. I blew the whistle on Baltimore County's detention center. That's my lawyer. I fired my lawyer and defended myself. You can go to the Baltimore FBI, Richard McFeely, on Ambassador Lane, and get that information. Send a reply. It was legal mail. All right? You got that? From the Baltimore Sun. This is the 86 case right here. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I ain't a jailhouse snitch. And I know the law. And the NAACP got that. The Attorney Registrar Disciplinary Committee got that. It's about your prison industry and the money you make off of black bodies. That's Kathleen Hughes, TV One, Radio One. Jamie Lee Foster Brown. I did Marion Barry's birthday party. I worked for 85% of the richest people in this state. That's Congressman Cummings' office. The 13th Amendment. Like I said, that's President Trump. That's President Trump. He got that. 2020. All right? 2019. Got that? That's Congressman Cummings' office. Occupy the vote. Re-elect Obama. Occupy the vote. And that's Dear President Obama. From my store, my store on Falls Road. All right? The Law. Shorty Davis. Like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. Kwame and Fumi in the 1986 crime bill. I put that toilet in front of the courthouse about that crime bill. All right? See the googly eyes? Like Google. Google me, man. Art and activism. The art of protest. You feel me? That's a toilet. That's the American flag. And that's the American way. And I gave you that toilet in 2010. I broke you down. I am Dred Scott. I gave you that. That's the Illinois case, 074988. And it named you. ABC2 works for Governor O'Malley and his corruption machine. And that's Baltimore County. Baltimore County, and that's the case in Baltimore County. Do blacks have rights which white America respects? Well, 2022, we're taking this to the grand jury. Marcella Holloman versus Marilyn Mosby. It gives a citizen a right to access the grand jury. And we're going to take all this evidence from 2010 for this case. That's 1986, June 13th. Highland Park executive ex-attorney draws prison term in Greylord conviction. Like I said, it's Operation Greylord. I just gave you what I did in 86 all over again. These are forged checks that the state accepted. And you accepted this forgeries. All right? And these is the case against Scott Shellenberger in Baltimore City. June 12th. Talking about real estate and money behind the drug war. Because that was one of my clients. I used to sell him drugs back in the 80s. I turned to my client list. It was developers. It was judges, lawyers, police officers. Like I said, it's Christmas. Sour Patch Kids. I'm getting ready to pull your card. That's the state's attorney's office. You received this evidence. You have knowledge of criminal behavior. You got to do what you got to do. I'm on the ballot for governor in 2022. I'm a black Republican, a black radical Republican. I'm running for office. I ain't just running my mouth. Ex-Felons got a right to vote. Ex-Felons got a right to run for office. Yeah, I'm on the ballot. Watch what I do.